Hello guys, hey guys, I'm the neighbor. Sorry, almost did my intro wrong. I'm not fully awake, okay? Neither was I when I was filming with the truck, which is right there, by the way. Anyway, you may notice I'm doing Flames video. I'm joking. I actually bought this yesterday. Meant to unbox it on camera, completely forgot about it. And you are completely crooked. Let me just, sorry guys. There we go. Okay, that works. So anyway, it's the X-Shot, I don't even know, Elite, I think? Anyway, came with 16 darts. So, and some of you might be wondering if I actually bought this. I actually bought this one. Flame does not own this one. So, yay. You see him using it? Well, I'll probably let him. That or he came to my house and just stole it, which... Or he bought his own. Which, a lot of times when we buy our, own guns or something, only 10-round mag? Really? What's this point? Yeah, this one mounts really weird. And I actually am glad I didn't do it on camera, because I had to figure out how to mount the stupid thing. So. 10 rounds. Which doesn't make sense. They should give you at least 20. But 16th standard, so I guess that works. Oh. And it always skips the first round for some reason. Anyway, time to see how far this shoots. It's actually not too bad. I did not see where that one went. Anyway, let's go see where all those landed. So that's fun to shoot. Right off the bat. I'm using the wrong tripod, guys. Sorry. Here's one. I shot 10. Oh god, if I don't find all of these, I'm gonna have to mow over them for one. Okay, so they all landed in this general vicinity. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. Hopefully. I'll see. Shot them up there, which that is a very real possibility. Let me just check. I'm not seeing them. Oh, there's 9. One more dart, hopefully. And hopefully I did not lose it. So yeah, this test fire is going well. But, I mean, that thing shoots pretty far, all things considered. And I think the 10th star just went nuclear. That or it's over here in one of my neighbor's properties, which, oops. Sorry, guys. Anyway, just a fun little video to show you that, yes, I too dabble in Nerf guns. Occasionally. I was about to say, that's the dart. It just fell. No, it's a leaf. Piece of bark. Oh well. So, one lost dart. Not too huge. If I lost all of them, that would be huge. Anyway, little video to, I don't know. I don't know what my goals here were. Neither do you. That's the beauty of things. So, remember guys, dislike, unsub, and until next time. Peace out.